Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's DIY Saturday video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make your own moisturizing lip balm at home. Guys, it is officially wintertime, like I told you guys in my whipped shea butter video, and a lot of dry lips, cracked lips, and all of that is going around. So I'm going to share with you guys on how you can stop that from happening. So let's go. Okay guys, to make my homemade lip balm, I am starting to measure out my ingredients. I am starting first with my shea butter. I have a huge container of shea butter. I actually have cases of this shea butter, but this is the container. Once I open one, if I need one or whatever, this is the container that I keep them in. And I am measuring out 1 cup of shea butter. Now it may look like a lot of shea butter because it's still in its solid form, but once you melt it down, guys, it is going to be 1 cup of shea butter. Okay, and you guys already know I will put my ingredients here on the screen for you guys to get if you're interested in making this lip balm. So now I'm going in with a half a cup. I was going to say 1, but it's a half a cup of coconut oil. But guys, like I always say, you definitely also can adjust these ingredients to your liking. Okay, you can use more of one butter than the oil. It's totally up to you. Now I'm adding in a half a cup of beeswax, and what this is going to do, I'm using the yellow, not the white, and what this is going to do, it is going to help the lip balm to keep its shape. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our cocoa butter, and I love using cocoa butter wafers because they melt a lot easier as opposed to using the big solid block of cocoa butter, and it's so hard to cut. I don't know if y'all have bought solid cocoa butter before, but it is a hassle to cut that thing. So FYI guys, cocoa butter wafers is where it's at. So now I'm adding in my oil. I'm going in with some grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons that I'm eyeballing, and some vitamin E oil, and that is pretty much it. And I'm gonna eyeball that as well. I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of this. So again, use what you want. A lot of people don't like this. They say this break them out. This isn't good for them. Use whatever oil you guys like, okay? So for my essential oils, I love the flavor, oh Lord, I love the scent of lavender and orange. So that's what I'm adding in there. I don't know if you guys have smelt these two mixed, but it smells so good. And now I'm showing you my lip balm tubes that I did purchase from Wholesale Soap Supplies, and also my lip balm tube holder. This right here is going to hold your lip balm tubes as you guys fill it up. Okay, so we're going to start to put our tubes into the lip balm tube holder and just turn it upside down, guys. Take your tops off. I was putting them in a bowl to the side, and just continue filling that up until all of your lip balm tubes is in. Okay, so I did go ahead and melt my oils. I have that on a double boiler, and yeah guys, I just figured we'll go ahead and knock this out while that's melting, so we are good to go. Look at that. So here are my oils. Okay, they are all melted. So what we're gonna do, I am gonna pour this into a container, that little cup that you see there that I did get from Dollar Tree, but we're gonna go in with the essential oils first, and 10 drops of each. Okay, you don't have to use that much, guys, but you guys see how much lip balm I am making. So yeah, that's why I did 10 of each. Okay, we're gonna give that a good mix. Now this is the cup that I was speaking of. I did get these from Dollar Tree. Okay, $1. So we're gonna pour that in, and it just makes it a lot easier to pour this into the lip balm tubes. Okay, so FYI again, you are gonna make a mess. Okay, you are gonna make a mess. We're making lip balms, so guys, you are gonna have a little spillage here and there, which is, it's okay. You know, just take your spatula, clean spatula, and just scrape up that excess that's spilled out, and just go ahead and put it back into your mixture and just remelt it if you need to, because of that beeswax in there, guys. It is going to start to solidify really quickly. Really quickly, so you definitely want to try to work a little fast here. You guys see that? It is definitely getting solid pretty quick. So also, guys, you see the little holes there on top, okay? You want to make sure you leave a little space from the top just to make sure you can top that off, to make sure that you fill in those holes, because you don't want to give these away to family, friends, or whatever, and not, with those holes in it. So what I did was took a pipette and I just started to fill in the holes, and then I went over this with a heat gun and I just let it sit. Okay, I'll show you guys of how it looked in just a second. But yeah, guys, you definitely don't want to give these to nobody with those holes in it. Not only is that unattractive, but yeah, you just don't want to do it. So just do what I'm doing and you'll be good. So instead of making more lip balm tubes, I just went on ahead and filled up these 2 containers, one for me and my daughter. My son has his own thing going on, and I have one on the side of my bed and she got one on the side of hers. So do you guys see how this look here now that I filled in those holes? No more holes, okay? Go over it with the heat gun and your lip balms will definitely look presentable and ready to give away. So now I am making my lip balm labels, okay, and I'm just sharing with you guys. I do have a lot of my labels that I have pre-made already set up in my system. So like I said, I just went in, did what I need to do, printed my labels out. There they are. So I'm going to share with you guys. These are matte. Okay, matte labels, but I am not a fan of matte labels. I love gloss. So what I do to save me tons, guys, I use packing tape. Okay, yes. I'm cheap, okay? I just feel that that is too much money that they're charging for gloss labels. So I take that packing tape, I go over the top of my matte labels, and look at that shine, guys, as if you have gloss labels, okay? Yes, another DIY for you guys if you are interested in that. So save y'all the money, okay? Save your money. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut these out, and then we're gonna start to get them onto my tubes. So here they are here, guys. They are all solid. So we're gonna start to pull these out, and then we're gonna go on with the labels. Now, in no certain way, okay, you got to put these labels on. Just go ahead and peel the back off. And yeah, and I also put down below, guys, of the label paper that I'm using, because I did also purchase this on Amazon. So I will purchase that down below for you guys with the link if you're interested in making your own labels. Just let me know, and again, I'll post that down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. So here they are here, guys. All of my lip balms are done. Well, most of them, because I still have more to get labels on. But that is pretty much it, guys, of me showing you of how I make my homemade lip balm tubes and my labels. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.